Boom, everybody. Let's go. Days like this are the ones that I sign up for with crypto. I take the good, I take the bad, but I very enjoy the good. How you doing, guys? And welcome aboard. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host for tonight. It's Sunday Night Live. So exciting. Look, I come to you every single week, right, with a live or so. We talk when it's bad, when it's red, when it's bloody. And we're here still, just enjoying ourselves and having great conversations. Today, for a brief moment, for a small, nice little moment, according to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, we reach and pass 2 trillion in market cap. And let's go ahead and enjoy this entire live to go ahead and do some amazing TA, technical analysis, cryptocurrency investigations, have a conversation, and tell you exactly what's going on. We'll go and talk about Shiba Inu, Tectonic, Crowcoin, and many more. Guys, go ahead and sit down, relax, enjoy the show. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. I'll see you right now. I'll give you a shout out. And all your questions, just post it in the chat. Obliterate it, destroy the chat. It's all yours. And as always, on the top of the chat, you have my Patreon Discord page. If you have a question, you need coaching, I have people there that I'm helping them every single day, posting my trades, posting what I'm earning, posting what I'm moving, what I'm selling. All the things that you cannot get on YouTube are there. So take a look at that, guys, and welcome aboard. Thank you for coming here to the live. Super exciting. Where's the Shiba Inu army? By the way, where's the Shiba Inu army? Bam! I got mine. How about you? These, my friends, are amazing physical coins that if you're interested, the first link in the description down below, it's all yours if you want to get yours now. So, starting at 1 p.m. today, we are seeing right now this massive Shiba pump. So massive that we pass a Fibonacci retracement. Later, at 5 p.m. today, boom! What are we having here? This, my friends, is the Bitcoin pump that put us above 2 trillion market cap. Now, this is the definition of a fake out. And what is a fake out? Basically, whales, sellers, and buyers playing around. That's what a fake out is. When you see a nice movement to the top with no really precedent, with nothing, it was consolidated sideways trading for a while during the day, then a massive push. What does that tell me, guys? That not only do we have some type of resistance there at level, I'm gonna go ahead and post it right here for everybody to see. What is this price? $42,000. $42,000 thus far, we're seeing at the 5-minute chart. Right now, the price of Bitcoin is 41,000. So not only we see this fake out, we come back down. We see that Shiba Inu also has nice support and confirmations at this time of the video. Let's go ahead and find my support lines and resistance lines. So right about there, you guys can see it. That price is going to be 28 cents. Let me go ahead and find this price for you guys. 28 cents right there. So we have 28 cents. We have, how much was it? 42,000 something dollars for Shiba Inu. Where's my Crow Army in the house? I don't hear you guys. Welcome, welcome. Crow Army. We got so many confirmations with Crow. I'm super excited. Basically around these levels, which is 46 cents. Fantastic. This is just great. We are getting ready for another pump that is gonna come in due time. It's gonna come in due time. I have no doubt. Take a look at this, guys. Isn't this the most garbage thing that we're seeing? See it was 1.70 in a couple minutes ago. I refresh, is 1.91, and then we have CoinGecko. I refresh, it's 2. Which one do I believe? CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap? I have no idea, guys. Can you please help me? No, I do have an idea. I will trust CoinGecko more. From what I hear, it has more trust. CoinMarketCap, honestly, oftentimes they don't do us a big favor, and I'm talking about Shiba Inu, right, Shiba Army? You guys know what I'm talking about. 15 plus billion, yes, we are. $15+ billion for Shiba Inu, guys. Are we liking this? I know Shiba Inu army 23% in the last 24 hours. If I go to Coinbase right now for you guys, bam, 23%. That is insane. Now, what is the reason of that? Well, bam, this is something Watcher.guru that I come to find out as I'm doing my research. Sadly, I don't see the date. I'm sure if I go to the address, I'm going to find something. But I'm sure that there's a lot of things going on with Shiba Inu. And guess what? Hey, we are out of the red. Guys, isn't this insane? Now we have fear at 45, fear at 37. Everybody, how many of us are we listening that there's going to be a massive crash, there's going to be a crypto winter, there's going to be everything? Honestly, guys, I'm down for whatever comes our way, because at the end of the day, nobody knows the future, and I'm humble enough to tell you that. But I know one thing and one thing only. I'm buying the dip at these levels. I'm buying the awesome dip. And if I'm gonna long these positions, I couldn't care if I'm buying it at 28 cents, at 45 cents. It's gonna be the same at the end of the day, long term, right? Am I right or not? Mommy of the Aka, welcome, buddy. Appreciate it. Welcome. Miles1W, welcome, guys. Let me go ahead and say hi to the fam. Pro Level, Dash and Charles, Camel, G-Puff, Robert, Eric, Ellis, Raymundo, G-Puff, Cami, Paban. What's going on, Paban? Dashon, Pro Level, Star, Ellis, and Gregory, and many more. Binance, awesome. Coin Market Cap. Yeah, I remember that, and makes total sense, huh? Everybody, today is a day of TA, of conversations. I do have some news for you on Twitter that are really amazing. I think what we're seeing right now is the following, like I'm saying right now in a couple of minutes ago. What a fake out on what a fake out here. JJ, welcome. What a fake out here on Bitcoin. Immediately at $42,000, everything gets destroyed and obliterated. Wow. That tells me one thing, guys. The opening of the cryptocurrency market tomorrow is going to be amazing. Welcome, Mark. What's going on, buddy? Where's the Shiba Inu army? Let's go. We passed one Fibonacci retracement. For those who are in the Shiba army, as we're seeing the price right now, we have Welly, a new partnership, local food, healthy food from what I've read, that now is partnered with Shiba Inu on the entire ecosystem. That definitely is not what's going to drive the price through the roof like before. But once again, for those who always ask me, right, what's going on, Star? For those who ask me, right, which meme coin that you're like preferring or you like or so, honestly, guys, with meme coins, you are gambling. Simple as that. I'm not going to here come to you and say you're gambling. So I'm choosing the best meme coin possible. And to me, right now, secure and safe Shiba Inu for long term. I don't want to mess with other ones right now. Definitely you can do whatever you want, but I'm doing Shiba Inu at this time. No, not gonna worry, because I have other projects that I'm worrying a lot, right? DeFi, NFTs, Metaverse, lending and borrowing with Tectonic, many exchanges, cryptocurrencies. So with my meme coins, I'm only worried, for the ones that I see a lot of utility, bunch of utility, and I see Shiba Inu way better than Dogecoin. Am I the only one who thinks that way, guys? Post it in the chat right now. Let's go. So, I mean, we like it. That is exactly what we like it. Who is here? Coming to you from Texas, guys. Go ahead and smash the like button and consider subscribing. This is Oscar Ramos Night Live, and 2 trillion. That is why we don't sell. That's why we don't panic sell. If you go ahead and zoom out on Bitcoin, guys, and what if we go under 40,000 again this week? What's gonna happen? Are all our predictions gonna go down and we're gonna be wrong? I mean, we're already seeing close to $30,000. I mean, we're at 42. When you zoom out, when you start zooming out, you see that we're just going upwards, right? Like, I hear a lot of noise and a lot of amazing words, right, from other people saying the next crypto crash is gonna be the worst. Well, let it happen tomorrow or today, right now, because I want the worst prices to happen while I am super young. I don't want the worst crash to happen in 2 years from now, because I want the best prices to happen right now, because I'm young and I can buy as many as I can, and I can short it. I can just put all the money I can afford losing. Remember that? You can afford losing, and then later on send it, baby, because we are heading, in my humble opinion, into better territory when it comes to cryptocurrencies and all of that. Got it? There you go. Do you think history repeats itself? How you doing, Jose? Welcome. And I'm super happy because I got a bunch of water here, so we're gonna be here for a while if you like that. Shiva and Crow, let's go. Let's go, Shiva. Shiva and Crow, long-term here as well. There you go. All I want is a V-Day is more, man. Oscar, you trade as well or just hold? That's a great question, Pavan. As many of you know, I mean, my Discord knows this by a long shot. So if you guys want even all the insights, check out the Discord channel. But I already finished my long-term positions with Croco, and I'm talking Cardano, Algorand, and many more. I'm gonna be doing a lot of trading now, but I'm still gonna be buying, X, Y, and Z stuff. But I'm doing now a lot of trading, so I'm pretty happy with these swings, because I mean, doesn't mean that you have to always invest for long term. You understand what I'm saying? Invest for long term if you're just starting in crypto, but at the end of the day, we know Cardano is not gonna probably explode 100x in 2022, but there should be something else coming up that will explode in 2022 a lot. So definitely having some positions on that is gonna help me make money much faster. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, I think that's a great question. It's so fun how Bitcoin just decides to ramp all the way to 42,000. And I mean, we like it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and add here my BB bands, which I love. You can take a look how easily. So this happened at 5 p.m. today. 5 p.m. today. I'm in Central Time. This is Texas. So in less than 3 hours, 2 hours or so, from 41 to 42, I mean, I know it's just a minimum increase, but that helped bring what I was saying, the entire market to 2 trillion. Here it is. Global market cap, which it was registered at $2 trillion. Not bad. When I saw that, I'm like, I need to start the live now. I need to start. I mean, typically my live start like at 7:30 p.m. Central. But I mean, then I went here to the Fear and Greed Index, and here it is. Cami, the dip starts at midnight. I do agree that at midnight, where people are sleeping, with the United States, I mean, I've been doing this for a while, so I kind of already know. When the United States goes to sleep, Asia wakes up, right? And they start doing their stuff. And typically, we have a lot of volatility in those days and in those times. I do agree with that. We have these prices of 41,782, which was a price that honestly many of us didn't expect. I will say a couple weeks ago. Let's go ahead and see who is leading the pack. It was okay. I mean, take a look at this. Gala now is down. Gala was pumping yesterday. While it was super mega pumping, now it's down, which is exactly what I mentioned in my previous live. What do we have here? Axie Infinity. Oh, nice. We have Axie, which I have positions on. I'm pretty happy. Loopring, I know some of you guys may have positions on Loopring. Assemble, and I see Shiba Inu. So 24%. That is insane. So to tell you, I think this is going to help a lot of people, because oftentimes people don't make these decisions a lot, and they just miss out on nice profits. And we have, number 14. Let me go ahead and refresh this. Who do you have here? 14. Oh, wow. Shiba Inu is not letting it go. That's awesome. Hey, Quinn, welcome. That little pump was talking still buying into the market. It's Monday morning there. Point pro level. Point. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are so smart. I cannot believe I don't deserve you guys. Thank you, everybody. Yes, I mean, because of course it's in Asia, it's already Monday. For us, it's already Sunday. It's still Sunday, so yeah, it's true. So what I was gonna say, what I was gonna say, just take a look at these prices, 41,000. Now, the biggest story of the day will be if we get Bitcoin above 42, 43 throughout the week, we made it. We made it because we're getting out. We're getting out. We're getting out. And that is the title of this video, right? Breakout 2 trillion. The point is to get out of the 1 point something trillion, and we're getting close. We're getting close. I mean, like I'm saying, a couple minutes ago, what if we just stayed here for a while or we continue dipping? Who cares? I mean, we're already used to that. I'm already used to buying the dip. I mean, the prices right now, Bitcoin under $50,000, Crocoin under 50 cents, and all of those, of course. Hero. No, I'm sorry, Cami. Pump and dump weekend. And that is exactly another thing I was going to tell you, right? Guess what's happening here? Guess what's happening here? And that is exactly what I was going to tell you right now. I'm not going to do it because I don't have the positions ready to do it. Everything and all my positions are staking or earning me interest. I'm just like, long shot, whatever. But if I wasn't doing that, I'll be selling at this point. What would I be selling? Shiba Inu. I'll be selling Shiba Inu for quick profits because there's a chance that it can come back down. Doesn't mean that it's going to keep doing that for forever because we know Shiba Inu is another long-term one. But you have to understand how this works, right? It may come back down just to give you the greatest example of all, Gala, which I just told you right now. This is exactly what happened. Not lying to you guys. I was here yesterday with you guys talking, having a great day. Exactly what happened with Gala yesterday. Here it is. February the 5th. That's yesterday for us. Pumped. Now it's down. Right? So with Shiba Inu, if you were trading this, now I'm teaching you, if you were trading this, what would you do? It's up. In the world of cryptocurrencies, there's hunters and prey. When you're trading, let me be clear, when you're trading, I'm a long-term guy too, so I couldn't care how low or how high some of my positions with Shiba is or Cardano. I'm just keeping it, right? But when you're trading, you see this, you have to sell. You have to sell because if you don't do it, other people will do it, and that's just the way that it is. Period. Right? Period. So, hey, welcome, Michelle. Glad to have you here. So it's just more learning. I mean, after I will consider a lot of months of doing and watching the stats and the charts. It is history repeats itself many times because the way the markets go and the way the markets follow, it's because of supply and demand and what people buy and sell. And news and outbreaks and stuff like that. So, it's just a great way for us to make money very quickly. Woo! Tonic! Shiba Inu Army, if you're watching, let me introduce to you, if you weren't aware, to something we've been discussing in the channel called Tectonic. Any Tectonic people in the house, make some noise because I don't see you. I don't see you here. welcome guys. Monday in Sydney too, and it's been green morning. Hey, Tonic is really having a great one, people. That's awesome. Welcome, guys. What you're seeing right now on the screen is a 500 trillion max supply, lending and borrowing from Kronos blockchain in the DeFi space called Tectonic. There it is. There's my Tectonic army. There you go. Welcome. Finance is better. Carlos, something can be better by giving you, like if you're saying better because of the APY, I completely agree. Yes, it's much higher than VVS Finance. I will still choose VVS Finance in my opinion because I just like it, man. And it's what I like it because it's been used really heavily on the DeFi wallet from crypto.com. I guess at the end of the day, we'll have our preferences, right? So when it comes to Tonic, everybody, at this point, I'm with almost 3 million BVS. I'm earning about 1 million tonic every day and a half by doing nothing. So I'm super excited for this. Super excited. Tonic Army. I'm going to be releasing a video this coming week that probably you're going to be liking. How much money do we need to become a millionaire with Tonic? These are some of my serious videos that do very well in the channel that I like to do because it just put a frame of reference if you want to make a lot of money in the crypto game, knowing that they all come with a risk. I made a video about Shiba Inu, Crypto.com, and what was the other one? VVS Finance. With Crypto.com, you need a lot of money to become a millionaire. With Shiba Inu, you need a little bit less money to become a millionaire. With VVS Finance, you need just shy of $25,000 to become a millionaire. And with Tectonic, I'm gonna guess, but it's gonna be much less than that. The reason why, it's because of course, the opportunity and the early that it is. Now, let it just be said, right, that it's gonna be now. It's when we apply the long-term game strategy. You see, either you diamond-handed like me and continue holding until we get to the levels that I'm predicting based on the market capitalization of some other different projects in this space. Got it? Or you just continue trading it, and whenever it's crashing, you back. Whenever it's pumping, you sell. It really depends what you want to do. But isn't that fun? I mean, that is exactly what I always like to remind people, right? So it's going to be awesome. It's going to be insane, and I like it. Everybody, I give you Tectonic, which is another one, and we are liking it, man. We are liking it. I'm liking it, and it is awesome. Let me go ahead and show you, actually, my BBS Finance and how much I have and all that good stuff. While we refresh to CoinMarketCap, don't forget, everybody, if you want to support the live, just smash that like beautiful button and consider subscribing. Thank you very much, guys. That's all. And whatever you need, check the link on top of the chat. The link's down below. You guys have everything. If you're in the Shiba Army watching, do not forget to grab your awesome token. We got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Saitama, Baby Doge. There's so many out there in the first link down below. Grab it. It's all yours. It's all yours. There's a lot of things going on, guys, so that's why we like it. Oof. Let me go ahead and back to the charts. And Shiba Inu, so far, I see 1, 2. Can we get a third confirmation at this support level? The resistance level, that'll be pretty good. And what Bitcoin is doing right now, okay. I see a nice pump, so we're slowly but surely it's getting there. So that's why we like it. I'm going to leave it on Shiba. Let's go and welcome, guys. Yo, that's coming up this week. Haven't made the video yet. Who's Tonic? Subscribe for Tectonic. Hey, welcome, Kushama. Appreciate it. Oh, thank you, guys. I'm talking to you from Texas. Where you guys watching from? Bernardino, California. That's great stuff. Hey, bro, just watching another video. Welcome. There you go. Liking it, guys. Hey, Ram. Good to see you, guys. Good to see you, Ram. Welcome. So, very quickly and nicely, we have $200 deposited here for VVS Finance. Total yield of $8, $6 that I'm never gonna harvest. Probably, I'm just gonna let it sit there because I don't want to pay fees. We have $65 in staking compounding, so I'll love to do that. Earning single is gonna come pretty soon too, because I want to earn more single. Earn single, I think this is great because the tokenomics is fantastic. I think it's in the billions. I'll go ahead and look it for you guys. Single finance. It was there was an airdrop. It was the IGO, the initial gem offering. Here it is. The max supply we're looking at a million. This is 1,000 million billion 1 billion at 17 cents. That's a bargain. Of course, these are, like I mentioned, when they're new, they tend to crash bigly. So this time it's not crashing a lot, but we'll see. When they're new, that's what happens. So my Tectonic, 1.5 million. Not bad. We like it. We like it. With almost 3 million, making already 1.5. At 140%, actually is increasing. That's something that surprised me with Tectonic, that is increasing. So I like it. So Tectonic is one that, well, I'm buying, and later on, if they add even more, if they are even more exchanges, well, that's going to add more volume. That for the short term, if you're looking for those good pumps, that's exactly what you are going to be getting from experience. Exchanges and listings give pumps, but not necessarily long-term sustainable growth. Understand that. It's very important. Very important. So right now at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 112, it's one of the one of the highest prices for Tectonic at this time after the dump. So here it is, as you're seeing right now on the screen. So boom, it's in the high. So that's what we like. Tectonic, baby. Don't we like it? Welcome, welcome. Austin, Texas here. Hook 'em. Well, I got, oh, wait, here it is. Oh, wait, there you go. This is the Clemson from South Carolina. Alrighty. So, small people, we have here, guys, some amazing news that you don't have to forget. Starting, of course, with the 2 trillion market cap that, I mean, we know it's exciting. Something new is coming to the Samsung Metaverse with Decentraland. Once again, here on this channel, always like to remind yourself the power of Metaverse. The Metaverse, I think it's going to be magnificent. There's always going to be people who are against and pro with the Metaverse and what's happening, but companies are getting involved. Companies are getting much closer to projects, to cryptocurrency projects. I mean, you see Nike, you see other different companies going to Sandbox because they want to buy their own land. Now we see Samsung with the Metaverse. And I know because if you have an Oculus from Facebook, now you can go to the Metaverse too from Facebook. So another reminder, if you don't have cryptocurrencies that attack the Metaverse, this might be your wake-up call for you to think about it, right? The only thing you have to do is come to CoinMarketCap, click on Metaverse, and you're going to have a list of different Metaverse cryptocurrencies, and that's it. And the first one is Decentraland. It's been for a while. It was before Axie Infinity, but now Decentraland is the king on this one at almost $6 billion, right? Now take a look at the other one. Do we have by any chance, any Helium miner fellows, brothers and sisters in the house? Well, my friends, at the end of the month, I'm receiving 2 Helium miners from Linksdot. Super happy and excited that I bought like back in October. And the New York Times just posted an article about Helium. And what did they say? Helium, a wireless network powered by cryptocurrency, hints at the practical promise of decentralized services. So I know Helium is like an underrated cryptocurrency, but if you go here, if you actually go to CoinMarketCap and start finding Helium, or you kind of want to know what Helium is, the only thing you have to do is scroll down at 40. Where is it? 44. And here's Helium. So this is a big thing. You can control and see how many tokens you're earning, how many coins you're earning just from your mining devices. My channel, when I become a more, I would say, exposed cryptocurrency investor to Helium, when I have, more miners or so, I'll tailor my videos more to that because it's insane. It's just mining, but better because you don't have to do much. Just buy it, plug it, and that's it. So I like that a lot, guys. Next, we have the Cardano Foundation. Oh, guys, now that you're watching me, I got to tell you something pretty important. Plus, because it's kind of segues really well with this. IRS on staking tax. You don't pay taxes on crops when they're grown. That's what they're saying. That's what the Cardano Foundation is saying. Guys, I have spent an hour plus on finding all my forms for my tax cryptocurrency purposes and declarations, right? Oh boy, I don't like sometimes Gemini and I don't like sometimes Coinbase because they're not really straight to you by giving you the forms. You have to find them or you have to create an AIP key So it talks to another third service provider, and they give you your tax forms.
Oscar, have you heard that by March Amazon will choose 2 crypto and one of them will be AMP?
Hey, Ram, I'll get to that in just a second. Just want to finish on this one. But yes, when it comes to tax, I'm going to finish my tax returns. I'm gonna do all of that. I'm gonna capture my experience. I'm gonna create a video for all of you because I know some of you want it, and I'll make it happen. But I'm going through the process right now, and I'm giving you some behind the scenes. And those behind the scenes are, man, when you start doing crypto stuff, you better do it right. So the way to do it is always finding your forms. It is what it is. If you've been trying to do something like that, then you know what I'm talking, right? All right, so I'm gonna go back here. Price, Shiba Inu. Get into the question. Ram, Oscar, have you heard that by March Amazon will choose 2 crypto, one of them will be AMP? That is, in my opinion, a complete and absolute scam, fraud. That is not true. And I've seen that website, and it's just not true. I don't have any fear, so just to call it what it is. Ram, first and foremost, no, this, I know it's not you, but I'm just kind of want to address this. If I'm wrong, let me be wrong. I don't care. It's fine. I'll take the hit. But first, we have to understand what AMP token is. AMP token is not I mean, at this point, AMP tokens are still collateralized, right? And it will be much believable to say that AMP token will merge or will partner with Flexa network and not just use AMP token, because AMP token is used by Flex behind the scenes, right, as a collateral token. So just from that declaration in the article just makes no sense. So yeah, it's not true. It's not true. And you know what the sad thing is? That actually created a pump. Because I was there. That was 2021. Bitboy Crypto, if I'm not mistaken, created a video mentioning something like that. I don't know if it was true or not. The point here is, it just, as an AMP token person that I've been covering for a while, and I've gone through the chats, I've gone through the Discord, I've gone through the Reddit, like, I would have already known if this was true, right? So, and when I go to Medium Flexa, they never have Amazon, right? So I know Flexa Network has a partnership with this store from Amazon. I forgot, but Whole Foods, I believe. So, but still, it's not like that. So I think I'll end it at that. Thank you so very much for your kind donation. But that's what I'll tell you. That's what I know. Let's go. Welcome. Tim, how much should we make with the miner? That's a great question, Tim. Well, it depends. It depends, because in my case, I have it placed at a terrible location, because that's the only thing I have. You know, in a one story, one level, apartment complex. But the ideal scenario will be second story of your house, roof, attic, or a big building. You do that, you talk to more. The miner is gonna see more miners, and then you're gonna make more money, because each miner represents a witness. So your miner will be a witness. That's kind of like the translation. So the higher your miner is, the more miners, the more witnesses you are talking to, and the more challenges they're called. So challenges are this, whatever the Helium network created, so the entire system works. So the more miners, the more witnesses, the more challenges, and the more money you get. That's what it means. So yep. So mine, it's not talking to many, so that's why I'm not getting that much. But thus far, I've had 7 HNT mine, 7. And I mean, right now, the top price for Helium was about $60. So just, you can imagine. So that's pretty good. I hope that helped. And welcome. So, so many great conversations, everybody. Oh, we like it, guys. We like it. There you go. Next, we have There you go. Where's the Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu army, guys. Don't forget to smash the like arena button and consider subscribing, people. I'm just showing and pouring on you a lot of information because it's a Sunday live. That's the way it's supposed to be. So Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama, the main guy behind Shiba Inu, says exceptional sheep branded fast food available now. So now the Shiba ecosystem integration, global store expansion, and only first bold step into real life products. I mean, at the end of the day, you want, when you're creating a cryptocurrency, something tangible so people can start getting that brand awareness. So from one perspective, Shiba Inu is a project that not only is created a 2.7 plus million followers on Twitter. Let's go ahead and find it for you. There you go. 2.7 plus. Probably it's going to be 2.8 right now. We'll see. Because each one of them, it's really a lot. Shiba, or there you go, SHIB. Is it 2.8, 2.7? Oh, still 2.7. So 2.7 million Twitter followers, that's a lot. I'm telling you, because I'm in other projects like have less than 50,000, man. Less than 50,000. And they get, I mean, we get some good views with those ones here on YouTube. Can you only imagine when they explode to a level of Shiba Inu? No, it's going to be insane. More people, more awareness. So that being said, this is great. I like it. Like I've said, it's just another step in the right direction, in my opinion, for the Shiba Inu project. Let's go back to the price right now. I mean, seeing the price, what can I tell you about the price? 1 p.m. today, Sunday for us, pumped. I see a bunch of sell-offs, right? I mean, sorry, buy-ins here and here. But guess what? I don't see yet the sell-off. I don't see the sell-off yet. So that is a positive thing. It means that whoever bought is still, holding. So that is great stuff. It's still holding. Mouse 1W with the Shiba Inu icon. Let's go, bro. So, yeah, I think that's another key important reflection, right? On the 5-minute chart, we are inside of the error side. Let me go ahead and show you the 4-hour. Let's see what's going on. 4-hour, this is what it looks like. Massive, nice pump, passing the Fibonacci retracement. Let me show you the 1 day. This is a 1 day, and this is what it looks like. So you see the bottom. This is the bottom, and we did not reach the bottom for a 100 official retracement on the Fibonacci levels, which is a good thing, in my opinion. But we stayed here for a while, guys. Super nice consolidation at a price of 4020. 4020. Shiba Army, you're listening? Are you listening? 4020 is the price that buyers felt comfortable holding on, like holding off. Yeah, that's the right way to say. Because as soon as it really hit 4020 for a long time, then we're back close to 4030. So that is good. We have to remind ourselves that Shiba Inu, it's been depleted and it's been down and it's been sell-off for a long time now. So the fact that we had this pump, it all indicates that, like I was saying a couple minutes ago, if your intentions are to trade it, well, you know what to do at this point, right? Take a look at here at the bottom for my Shiba Inu army right here. We're still not overbought. That is great. And we're coming from close to an oversold place. It's all at the bottom right here. There it is. Overbought, oversold. So still a great time. Still a great time. Alexander, hey, what's going on, buddy? Welcome. Hope this makes sense to you guys, because it makes sense to me, honestly. And I like it. When we start clicking the all, then you start seeing the reality of Shiba Inu, right? That this is the reality of Shiba Inu. Here it is. From 4088, then from 404. It is what it is. It is what it is. And we like it. Shiba Inu is another cryptocurrency that, for my channel, talking just for my channel, helped me a lot to increase in everything: views, subscribers, content. For a while, I didn't talk about Shiba Inu because, and this is the exact truth, guys, complete transparency. At the very beginning of October, I was like, no, Shiba Inu is the worst, and I don't want to talk about Shiba Inu. But then I soon realized, well, first and foremost, there's a lot of traffic there, so it makes sense for me from a business standpoint. But then later on, I'm like, let me actually go ahead and do my due diligence on Shiba Inu. Like, I know it's a meme coin, but let me actually put some time and effort. And after doing so, I realized, well, there's something I like about Shiba Inu that I don't see on Dogecoin, right? And it's because of the entire ecosystem, and that is not dependable on somebody like Elon Musk. When you're finding cryptocurrency projects, you don't need those type of celebrities, period. Like, any type of project that is attached to a celebrity, you know it's bound to break very quickly. Very quickly. I'm not the only one that says that. So if you already know what I'm saying, then if that makes sense, Shiba Inu is highly driven by the community, has an ecosystem, has a plan, a project, a white paper, NFT, Shiboshis, Shibarium, now with this content. So if I need to give a meme coin a chance, it's going to be this one, period. All right. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys, because I know people watch and understand what I'm saying. I'll go back to the 5 minutes, and I'm going to erase all these lines that look ugly. There you go. Pop up all your questions, guys. I'm going to go ahead and check the chat right now. Having a great conversation with you, fam. It's a Sunday. Oh! Send it! Send it. Let's go. Let's go. We're talking about Shiba. You seen that? You're right on point. Tank King. There you go. This is your preach, Oscar. I'm just telling you what it is. Let's go, fam. Shiba Inu. Oh, we're gonna reach 3 zeros. Ooh. Let's go. Send it, baby. Let's go. Go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe right now to the channel. Do not forget to grab your Shiba Inu token. First link in the description down below. Man, how can you not get this one? Let's go. Loving it. I mean, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. There's so many different projects out there, guys. Don't we like it? Let's go. Oh, nice crypto day here, Sunday. We needed one of those. We needed one of these for sure. So I like it from what I see right now in Bitcoin. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. 42,000, baby. Baby, this is a great day to be doing my live right now. Okay, Gal is coming up. Let's go ahead and take a look at crypto.com now. Crypto.com. Oh, yes. Okay, guys, this is gonna be a good and long one, so stay with me. Do not move. Already broke that support. We're coming up, baby. Let's go ahead and leave it on Shiba Inu. Why not? We have all these different ones. Crocon going up, Bitcoin at 42,000, Shiba Inu about to break 403. That's what we like, guys. That's what we like. Breakouts, breakouts, breakouts. Let's go, guys. Let's go. For sure, I think about $2 trillion. It's gonna be soon. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this. How we're looking right now? 1.91 still. How's Tectonic doing? Tectonic's doing okay. Still not moving much. I'll close this one. I'll close this one, and I'll go ahead and refresh this one. Just kind of getting all my setup ready for all of you, fam. Let's go. Let's see. Oh, I'm token is down. Classic. 27, 15. Oh, yes. Let's go back. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the live. My name is Oscar Ramos, and we're appreciating and seeing the movements on crypto.com, Shiba Inu, Tectonic, Bitcoin. And what you're seeing right now on the screen is what's happening with Shiba. And we've been talking about Shiba right now for a couple of minutes. So if you're just joining the live, well, get comfy, get comfy and ask away. Let me go ahead while we take a look at the prices right now, possibly a pump. I'll go ahead and take a look at the comments. Oscar, ¿qué necesito para ganarme la moneda? Alexander, just check the first link down in the description. That's where you can get it, my friend. More, yes. Let's go. Beautiful uptrend. Yes, Eric. Welcome, welcome. Oscar, you're pumping me up about crypto. Let's go. As always, guys, when we get excited on crypto, it's been a while. Let me tell you, since December 2021, it's been down, guys. Like, we need to enjoy ourselves a little bit, don't you think? I mean, we know we're not gambling here. We know that we're not putting our everything on the line, like our life investments, right? You know you're doing smart choices. So if you're putting $500 or $200 or $100 in crypto, enjoy, man. Let me tell you something. The banks, the stock market, they're closed right now. Who is up? Your boys and girls, your sisters and fellow brothers are here with you, having a great time. That's what I'll tell you. What's up, Mario? Replace that Coke with beer. Baby, a triple. Let's go. Send it. 42,000 on Bitcoin. We have 46 cents on Crowcoin. Guys, we like this. Take a look. Okay. Bunch of different things happening right now in the cryptocurrency space. And we are seeing it, guys. We are seeing it. Here it is. There it is. Welcome, welcome. Just holding. Starts in 1 hour. Or you think so? Glad to see it moving forward. I know. Guys. Yep. Shiba Inu. Remember those lives, guys. Oh, yes. I mean, these are the same. We love it. It's still the same pump and energy. It's just that, you remember October Shiba Inu? There was not even anyone in the entire world was as popular as October Shiba Inu. Nobody was as popular as October Shiba Inu. Nothing was as popular. Everyone knew about Shiba Inu, and this is what we got. Oh, baby. It's a lot of things going on, and we like it. Well on board. At this time, we see people buying, which is great. I wanted to tell you, right, like, guys, just wait for the dip. What dip? We're already almost 100% retracement. Like, more dips makes no sense to me. I mean, we're already getting out. It's breaking from this crypto winter. So it makes total sense just to start. And always buy when there's sideways trading. That's the best way to buy right now, like I mentioned before. For those who are just joining in, right? If you're day trading, you got to take some profits for sure. Just think about those. Is it too late to get Tectonic, Jose? No, I don't think so. I don't think you're too late for that. HGZ says, I will inherit my heritage, or yes, my sheep going to my future grandchildren. Hey, kudos to you. That's awesome, man. You want to make a lot of money and then give it to your family? That doesn't sound that bad at all. I like it. Did you enjoy my last Shiba pump? So funny, so funny. King Darius coming here to the chat to give us a smiley face. Well, guys, if you don't know, go ahead and join the members here, and you can use as many of the cool emojis that I have ready for you. So don't forget about that. As we probably are going to be hitting anywhere of 403 tonight. So if you think that's going to happen, send it with me with some emojis. Boom. How we feeling with this pump? It's a small one, not a big one, but we still enjoy it. Crypto pump. Yes or fake out? Let's go. Send it. Tanks, what's going on? Diamond hand that Shiba Inu, of course, baby, of course. Is this a crypto pump? Yes. Or is it a fake out? Guys, whatever it is, let's enjoy it for a second. Let's enjoy this for a second. Like, why are we gonna be fighting for it, right? Take the words of what I'm saying right now. Couldn't care if it's a fake it or not. Some of you and I are long terms on this ones. We don't care if it's a fake out or so. It's just a good time to be in cryptocurrencies, knowing all the things that are gonna be coming for crypto later on in the year. It's a brand new year, guys. It's a brand new year. Let's just have fun and enjoy. Appreciate it. Jump us. Great channel. Welcome, Dustin. What's going on? Very excited to have you here. Well, now there comes all the different comments about different projects. Just looking laser focus on this one, guys. Let me tell you, laser focus on this one. Super focus on this ones. Boom. That's what we like it. That's what we like it. About when Shiba was at 4.35. Oh, well, so you're getting back to your break-even point, so that is great. Take a look at this. I think it's pumping now because the government released more interest rules rates possibly. Well, I mean, that's going to happen in next month, March. Oh, let's go. Send it. Like those pumps. Like those pumps. How is Bitcoin doing right now? Very quickly. Still, I mean, there's just a lot of movement right now. There's a lot of movement right now. Take a look at Crow. Take a look at everything. There's just a lot of movement right now. It's steady. There's a lot of things going on right now. 76% say yes, it's a crypto pump. Whatever it is, everybody, I'm enjoying it a lot. You know what? Because I'm getting back to my break-even prices, so I like it. Hey, Jose, what's going on, buddy? Awesome. Thanks for what you're doing. I've been enjoying my ride. I started investing last year before summer. Hey, Jose, welcome, man. Honestly, I just wish everybody here becomes wealthy, rich, or whatever you want to call it, financial freedom. Because instead of buying garbage stuff with the money that we're putting in crypto and stocks, we're buying digital money. We're buying digital collectibles, NFTs. We're buying, I mean, in my case, you know, I'm about to be 30. I feel so old, man. I feel so old. But anyway, you probably can help me. I'm not looking for me at all. Most of my decisions, I'm looking for my family. I'm looking for my future. You know, because I'm not an 18-year-old kiddo. I'm not a 15-year-old kiddo who just magically created an NFT and I'm a millionaire, right? So at this point of my life, I'm like, well, if crypto actually works for me and later on, then finally let's go ahead and make some money for the future generations to come. That's the way I think. And that's why I'm putting a lot of work right now for me. And I think, God willing, I become wealthy and we become rich. To be honest with you guys, it's not gonna feel. It's gonna feel much better if I enjoy it with my family than if if it is just myself. Are you guys following me here? Are you like am I the only one who thinks that way? Like, I want to enjoy it with my family, with my friends. Like, we made it, man. It was awesome. Instead of just me with all this money, it makes no sense. Like, sacrificing all of that to me makes no sense like that. So always, you know, having some good values at the end of the day. Okay, here's some friends coming to the rescue with the age. 35, 40, 34, 46. Guys, why are you so young? Leave that oldness to me. I'm the one who is going, I mean, almost 30. You kidding me? 31. You guys are so young. Can't believe it. Everybody here is so young. I still remember when I graduated university, I was 23. And now that I look back, I'm like, I was so young and dummy and I didn't know much. Why didn't I start with crypto back then? Why? No way. 62, 50, 34, 29. Look at all of this. Man, 51. No way. It's that insane. You guys are so young. You guys are so young. Can't believe it. Welcome, welcome. 25 university. That's amazing. Want to die wealthy, Star says. Oh, baby. I'm pretty happy and excited that you guys are following exactly what I'm saying, because when I check the analytics and everything, most people my age and a little bit above my age are the demographics who watch this, right? And we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Very, very feel pretty confident on that one. And if we're willing and able to endure the bad times, how much are we gonna be willing to enjoy the good times, right? And I think the good times, easily for us, it's gonna be when Bitcoin is above $100,000. By then, I mean, can you imagine how other ones are gonna look like? Wait, 42. Oh man, Bitcoin is coming up. That's fantastic. What are we on Crocoin? Crocoin is doing fantastic too, passing all the resistance levels that I had. Only Bitcoin is the one that is missing. Crocoin already did. Shiba Inu is doing okay thus far. We like it. Dustin says, not me. I'm 38, but it's better late than ever. Loving it, man. You know, a lot of people here, 30s, 40s, late 20s like me. It's never too late. You got me on the Tectonic. Thank you. HM, welcome, buddy. Oscar, I'm 60. Yeah, you know, I think part of me is like I'm always putting a lot of pressure on myself. Welcome, Tibor. I'm always putting a lot of pressure on myself because I just want, you know, I want it to be made now, like now. But I know, you know, have to look back, relax, and get more energy and push it forward. It's gonna be completely awesome. It's never too late, of course. 50's here. There you go. There you go. That's fantastic, man. We're gonna be fine, guys. We're gonna be incredible, and that's why we're doing this. Bad time discount, of course. Bullish and Tectonic. There you go. 50s is the new 30s, so 28s is what, baby? Man, that's insane. That is just the dream, guys. And we're making it happen. Shiba Inu, this time we're looking at a 4029. So what happened starting at 1 p.m. today Central for me in Texas, jumped all the way, which is great. And let me go ahead and zoom out to calculate exactly what happened and how much it did jump. So all of this, we had from here, it was a 26% increase, which is great stuff for Shiba Inu. That's something we like. On Bitcoin, we're looking at, it jumped all the way. No, here's the ruler. Jump all the way to 2% or so, 2% right now. It's 2%. You know, 2%, 1%. That is fantastic for Bitcoin. And Crocoin, we jumped all the way about 3% too. So that is fantastic. That is exactly what we want to see for sure. People going nuts. We like to see that. I'm 19 years old, 500 million Shiba Inu. Send it, man. 62 and big dreams. Still can do 62 push-ups. Never too late. 30 in a month. You're a baby. Oh, man. Don't we like to see and hear all those amazing comments, right? Oh, that's awesome. Hearing everybody's age is making my joints hurt. Let me tell you something, guys. And I was talking this with one of my coaching friends on the Discord on top of the chat, guys. If you're interested in getting all the behind the scenes, take a look at the Discord channel. It's going to take you to the Patreon, and you can find whatever works for you if you want to support the channel. But what I was telling them is the following, right? For all of those who are watching right now, soon, I believe soon, we're going to start seeing a magnificent change when it comes to the government rules, how things are going to be changing when it comes to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. That's finally DeFi, taxes on crypto, tax regulation for cryptocurrencies and more. It's going to be open up. As you know, I'm from Mexico. And one of the things I wanted to tell you, which is kind of like news trendy too, it's right here. Here it is. Bitcoin is financial inclusion Mexican senator. So I know my country, right, very well. And then Michael Saylor. If you don't know who Michael Saylor is, well, definitely go ahead and brush up on your Bitcoin skills. Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy founder and CEO. Currently, they own, it's the company that owns the most Bitcoins, just to give you like that. He was listening to this interview from Ricardo Salinas, and Ricardo Salinas is one of the richest, is a billionaire in Mexico, Ricardo Salinas. So if you don't know, now you know. And it's great to see a Mexican at that level who also embraces Bitcoin. So as many of you know, right, are aware that Mexico is not a first world country, right? But we're doing okay, relatively speaking. So as a Mexican, it's great to see how the push for cryptocurrencies is also advancing and growing. As we know, El Salvador is also working on that, and the president, it's just the greatest troll ever on Twitter. South America, Mexico, and other different countries are opening up. And even I believe the Canadian truckers, they're even receiving Bitcoin donations. So what I'm talking is right now, this is the best time to be in cryptocurrency, everybody. This is the best time to be buying the dip, the best time to really be putting our money in something that's probably going to be changing our lives later on. And I think the funny thing is that it feels like if you're in this space that a lot of people know about it, but in reality, not many people know about it because they believe like it's a scam or so, or like they're just throwing their money away. You have no idea how many people still don't know or don't use cryptocurrencies. So that gives us a great edge to complete some purchases right now. And then when things become more wild and mainstream, boom, we're going to be out and about. That's what I think. It's going to be so fun. What's going on, BBC? Welcome. Mexico moving up. The only thing we need is to have a president that actually opens up with cryptocurrencies in Mexico, because the current one, he doesn't like Bitcoin. Dang, it's not really a great way to start, right? That's my current president, doesn't like Bitcoin. So anyway, that's what I'm saying, guys. Here in the United States, well, at least we have a bunch of senators, a bunch of governors, a bunch of different House of Representatives that are currently accepting Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as payment, right? Other mayors from cities like from Miami or other different places accepting Bitcoin and crypto. But sooner or later, I think the younger generation, us, me, this Generation Z, are going to start getting very involved in crypto and in all of these policy jobs, and we'll start getting those nice jobs and probably changing things for the future. So we like it. We like it, man. People at work make fun of me because say crypto is worthless, Mario. Well, you'll show it off later on, I believe so. Amp Nation, Diamond Hand, of course, ARAM. It's holding my my AMP token, that I can tell you for sure. Let's go. Blue Collar Jose, hey Oscar, how are you enjoying shares price action right now? I'm enjoying it, man. We're liking it. We're watching it so far. It's been doing great for us. And we're seeing thus far Bitcoin at this time having a nice bounces, crazy price action for Bitcoin, which is changing the entire cryptocurrency space. We have Crocon right now, which is above the support, the resistance line that I created for it, at about a price of 46 cents. And Shiba Inu, we're seeing it thus far, which it went through this resistance line, which it was close to 40.28, and it's there thus far. I think if we pass the 40.30, it's going to be a magnificent success for this cryptocurrency for sure. Absolutely. Absolutely. The atomizer, Michael Saylor is a Bitcoin Avenger. Point. Yeah, so it's just great information out there. Let me just tell you that, guys. Great information out there, and we're looking at it, and it's just slowly but surely. I'm going to go ahead and close the poll right now. That was enough time and amazing votes, by the way. Let's see it. Oh, well. Nice. I'm going to move this price right now. Here it is. We're seeing Shiba Inu price moving, guys. Thus far, People are starting to sell, which doesn't really surprise me. We like it. Crypto pump, 25% say it's a fake out, 75% say yes. Now we'll see what's going to come back, of course. But thus far, when we start seeing the trend, we're going up and we like it. And Bitcoin already establishing at 42,000. That is what I wanted to see. That is what I wanted to see, man. Liking it. Isn't this cool? You think Gal is going to go back? Blue collar? I think Gal is going to continue growing later on for sure. No, I'm not worried about Gal at this point in time. I'm worried about not having enough. That's what I'm worried about. Not having enough of these projects. If you're worried about Metaverse, right? Which pretty much I believe I actually finished with everything that I wanted to say when it comes to this one. All the Shiba Inu news, the Cardano news, the Helium news, the decentraland Metaverse news, and the 2 trillion. I mean, that is great stuff. So not to be taken lightly, because it is exactly what's coming up for later on. And as we refresh this 45 fear greed index, we're coming up. That is great. Does that mean that we're not going to come back down to the fear or extreme fear? Well, at this time, we've been here for, about 2 months. It was about time to be coming back up. Now, to do a complete reversal and be on extreme greed, that is a little bit harder to believe. However, just know that you are right now still buying the dip and still buying amazing prices. Just don't forget about that. I'm going to go ahead and change this to the 15-minute. How is Tectonic doing, man? Where's the Tectonic arm here too? Look at this. Still growing. Still growing Tectonic, guys. If you didn't know, Tectonic lending and borrowing asset from Kronos blockchain that yours truly is buying. I like it. I'm getting my Tectonic with VVS Finance staking. I can easily just buy 1,000 Tectonic right now, but I'm taking it slightly. But I know this is one that I'll be pocketing for later on. Not rushing a Tectonic. That's something I'm going to tell you right now. There's so many different cryptocurrencies, everybody. You have to understand and don't forget. Why to rush? Slowly but surely wins the race, right? Slowly but surely. But this one, it's a lot of buying pressure. Although 500 trillion max supply, that's another reason why you have to take it slightly. Buying what you can afford losing if you mind diversifying, and do not panic selling. Because if you're about to panic sell, if you want to panic sell and just get out because everything's crashing, then you shouldn't be in crypto anyway. That's just the reality. If it hurts, well, let it be me who told you that, right? Because it is what it is. If it hurts, let it be me. But so far, we are growing. I've been talking about Tonic for about a week and a half. I started talking about it. People liked it. I'm giving a perspective. I'm giving an angle. And soon you're going to have another video that's going to be a banger. So make sure you subscribe right now to the channel. Don't forget to smash the like button so you get all the updates on this one, everybody. Going back to the charts, and I'm going to refresh this one, see how we're doing here on the markets. At 1.93, we're coming up. 42,000, Ethereum 3,000. That's a great. Cardano 115. So what I'm seeing right now is that it's Bitcoin move mostly. Crypto.com still hasn't moved that much. Shiba Inu is destroying everybody right now. Who else? Axie Infinity Metaverse. Let's see what else we have here. Just great stuff, great movements. Great stuff, great movements. Let me go ahead and find my crypto bubbles. See what's going on in these crypto bubbles right now. Bam! Oh, wow. Saitama is not doing well. The hour, we have Shiba Inu 3.5%. Leo, we have Waves, Axie Infinity, KSM. I mean, thus far, green. We like it. Thus far, green. That's the kind of the crypto bubbles to give us kind of sort of an idea of what's going on right now with the markets at this time. We like it. Going back to the price. Putting it here. Boom. Oh, we like it. Where's my water? Here you go. Tectonic is exploding, Mr. Bud. And that's why I own it. That's why I own it. And I've been talking about it. Because it's one that, I mean, always we want to be buying the top 100, the top 10 cryptocurrencies because they're bound to continue that growth and that sustainable growth and that value because they are honest, good projects for later on, right? But if you also want to make money in the short term, don't be short-sighted and get some risk out there where you can afford that risk. Always, in my opinion, I like to buy from exchanges that I can trust, and you can buy Tectonic with crypto.com. That's why I get Tectonic, right? I mean, I can easily create a sushi swap or whatever swap account and go super dark, super risky. I don't do that. I don't do that in this channel, to be honest with you. I don't really go super dark buying super early coins from DeFi, but I like to buy from exchanges that I can trust. It's just to protect my assets, right? In that regard, you see that I'm not super thirsty for that kind of exposure. Santama going to zero. Let's go, Crocoin. It's about to pass Matic in market cap. This is a first. Oh, wow. And that's what we like it, guys. I mean, Crocoin has so much to talk. I mean, it's just insane. Nice arena. New senior vice president of engineering, crypto.com, man. Where's the Crow Army right now? Let's go. Second poll of the chat, guys, to celebrate. Let me see who is here in the chat. Which army is the best? Let's see who is the army here. Let's see who do we have here in the chat. It's going to be so fun. First and foremost, the one and only. Second, let's see. Which army is the best? You know which ones I'm going to put. Come on. Third one, because I've been talking about it and I know we have some people here. And fourth one, let's see. I'll do. Okay, we have that one. We have that one. We have that one. Who else do I put? Oh, it's so hard. Something else. Type it. There you go. Send it. Let's see who wins. This is gonna be so awesome. Let's go. So, Crow Army, cheers. Joe Peña, thank you, buddy. Appreciate it and welcome. Cheers, bro. Poll is up. Go vote. Who's winning tonight? Man, this is a tough one, honestly. Shiba Inu, crypto.com, Tectonic Army, or something
CRO
else.
Army, cheers. Clinking beer mugs.
Let's go. Man, that's going to be awesome as we see the price right now for Shiba Inu, crypto.com, Bitcoin, Tectonic, all doing fantastic, guys. We're just DCA, dollar cost average, not panic selling, not living. Crow for life. I'm voting right now. Should I tell you which one I vote? Because I know you guys are gonna crush me here if I tell you. Now I'm just gonna vote right now. Boom! I had to. Oh wow! Shiba Inu is destroying it. Man, let me tell you something. Can somebody really beat the Shiba Inu army? Can somebody really beat the Shiba Inu army? I mean, that's unheard of, to be honest with you. Mouse 1W is like, she will win no contest. Wow, that is amazing, Shiba Inu. Let's go. That is insane. Thoughts on Loopring? I don't own it, but I know it pumped really massively. Loopring is up, really? It's good. Well, Bitcoin is going up. That's good. On the Bollinger Bands, we reached the top and it's still going up. On the Shiba Inu right now, it's still coming up. And crypto.com, I'm going to go ahead and activate the Bollinger Bands. See how we're doing right now. It's up. So everything's up right now. It's pretty cool. It's cool. Looking good stuff. Deutschland pumping too. That's nice. That's nice. I'm going to go ahead and open my phone and use my phone too because I want to see how things are moving from my phone as we see this. And then we have some more chatting. This is what it looks like, guys. Oh, that is awesome. Welcome, welcome. Let me see. So some people are saying Deutschland, huh? Let's see what we're having here. 29 cents, 26% on Shiba Inu. We have Gala 10% less. O sea, down. Elon, Deutschland, we have, okay, just a 2% up. Not bad. 2% up. Deutschland, not bad, not bad. Deutschland at 127. Deutschland needs to go a lot more up, let me tell you that. Who let the dogs out? Let's go ahead and grab more of those 88 votes currently right now. Start voting, guys. Who is going to win this one? Pretty excited to see. I mean, Shiba Inu 50%, crypto.com. I mean, honestly, Tectonic Army, you guys are watching me. I've been talking about Tectonic in the chat. I like it, but it's just Shiba Inu. And of course, crypto.com coming and swinging super fast with a 20%. Crypto.com, man. You never go wrong with crypto.com. And Shiba Inu, well, as soon as Shiba starts rising once again, forget it. That's it. I mean, obviously, I'm not going to be selling other positions to buy Shiba, but what I'm saying is like all the Shiba Inu influencers, all the Shiba Inu army stuff, it's going to be back up again. And I like that. I like that now because it's just fun and it gives you a nice break of the world we live in, the nasty, oftentimes nasty world we live in. Cryptocurrency, it's a way for us to escape and make money in the process, don't you think? It's a way for us to escape. Victor, what's going on, buddy? Hey, Oscar, how you been? Haven't been able to watch for a while, but glad to be watching now. Hey, welcome, Victor. I'm super happy to have you here. I've been great. Great week of buying and trades and selling and making videos. Today, I decided not to make a video, guys, for you because I was, a little bit tired. I kind of wanted to relax, unwind, and it really helped me. So I'm just doing my lives, of course, which I love, all Sundays and Tuesdays. So yeah, it's always good to take some days and reflect and project and plan. So that helped me a lot, right? For those who are watching, guys, do not forget to get your Shiba Inu coin from the first link in that description down below. You got ship, you have leash. Let's say you want a case or so. Bam! You have also these nice, beautiful canes that you can buy Bitcoin, and you have many other different cryptocurrencies out there. Baby Doge, Saitama, Cardano, Ethereum. It's pretty cool. And they're thick. They're awesome and thick. So we like it. We like it. I have some. I'm going to get more for sure. Another breakout. Crow 200 possible. Retime. $200. I mean, let's first get to $2. How about that? First get to $2. $2. Because $1 has to be possible. But $2, lower your expectation a bit, my friend. Like, instead of saying, because I know some people and some channels have these thumbnails that say $150 Crow coin. Wait a second. Let's first get to $1, confirm that, enjoy, take a picture, drink some whatever you want to drink, and let's continue. Because at $1 Crow coin, we're going to have a nice, massive pullback. And then from that pullback, we'll continue and going up and up and up and up and up. So just know that the prices that you're buying them right now are amazing. And long term, you're not going to even care if you buy it today or tomorrow. That's pretty much it, right? Everybody, yes, $200. Can't believe it. That is awesome. Keep going and voting, guys. And don't forget to smash the like button. How about that? If you're just joining in, go ahead and smash the like button. Let YouTube know that we're having a blast here talking about all these great cryptos. As we see Bitcoin at this time doing something that we wanted it to do for a while. Crowcoin is doing well. 46 plus cents. So that's nice. And Shiba Inu, we're watching it right now at almost 30. Honestly, it will be amazing if we reach 4030 during the live. That will be amazing stuff. I love that, to be honest with you. Let's see what else is doing great. I'm going to open my my Coinbase here on my phone. There you go. How about HBAR? That's a good one. Do you think gas fields would ever drop for tonic? Gas fees will ever drop for tonic? What do you mean? Hera, what's going on, buddy? That's right, bro. The crypto community is really more than just finding those gems that we can make you wealthy, and it will just keep growing. Absolutely, Hera. Absolutely, I completely agree. Right now, the cryptocurrency that is doing the best is Shiba Inu, so definitely is the one that is getting much love today. Farm is also doing well. Loopring is doing well. Axie Infinity is doing well. Clover is doing well. Dogecoin with 7% is doing well, so that's nice. Now, why is that, right? Bounce the question. Well, why are we doing well, Oscar? Here's the answer. When you try oftentimes to really analyze exactly like the markets and the supply and demand, oftentimes just crypto goes up whenever it wants to. That is crypto, right? Since it's always open, there's obviously probably some things happening on the other side of the world that right now are not happening. But I mean, as I'm going to Twitter right now, I'll tell you if I find something. But I mean, right now it's just the time for us to keep putting our keeping the strategy that's always been there for us. Always buying the dip, buying what you can afford losing, and having some fun while you do that. SHIB will crash tomorrow. Sell now, pro level. For those who are day trading, you know what's happening, right? Take a look at this. Lark Davis says that the breakout is happening, has been in a downtrend since November. We have now broken out of that trend. Next step, moon, Lark Davis says. That's another analyst for cryptocurrencies that I like to follow. And yeah, I mean, that's why we never panic sell, right? Never. How are we feeling today, Shiba Army? We're feeling great. We're feeling pumped and ready. How about Deutschland? Well, I don't know. I do not own any Deutschland, but what I can tell you is that a lot of people like Deutschland because of its cheap price, because of its 120 place on CoinMarketCap. And if you want to own Deutschland, go for it. But I'd rather choose Shiba Inu because I want to buy the one that's already ahead of the game with the community and everything. Yeah, I think meme coins are you can diversify and buy as many as you want. That's fine. You can buy Saitama, or you can buy Deutschland, you can buy Floki, you can buy Chinja, because there's so many out there. But I think good products and good development and planning and all the blockchain and the cryptocurrency technology that they have, after all the pipes and pumps, you need to give them some time for them to become what they promised to be. That's what I'll tell you. So in this case, Shiba Inu dropped in price massively to almost 100% retracement. At this time, it needs to catch up. It needs to come up. It needs to do it because now we're bringing tons of different utilities to Shiba Inu. Starting with the latest addition on Welly, nice local food vendor with nice healthy food. The other one is the nice metaverse stuff with Shiba Inu that's happening, that the SHIB Twitter page is always tweeting about. Then we have GameStop coming. I mean, don't forget about GameStop and AMC. I'm sorry, it was AMC, not GameStop. AMC, the CEO, of course, allowing Shiba Inu payments. So all those little details add up. And the Shiboshi is also, that's a good project for them. I like that in a way, right? So there's many different cases. There's many different reasons why. And there's probably some that I didn't mention. But I mean, in all, you know that putting all your money in Shiba Inu, it's risky. That's why you want to at least have other projects to balance things out. But if you want to put all your money on Shiba Inu, like Pro the Doge with Dogecoin, glad to tell you that it's your money and you do whatever you want. And at the end, if you make tons of money with this beautiful friend, well, tell us so we give you the congrats you deserve. But let me tell you something. I think with my positions right now, if you are on the Patreon, guys, on the top of the link down on the chat, I post every single thing for my members on YouTube and my Patreon members, all my positions, all what I currently have. And when cryptocurrency finally does explode, your guy Oscar Ramos is gonna be set up. We've been talking about this one. You guys are still watching about my age, your age, the future. We want to give this to our families and friends, mostly family, sons, daughters, grandchildren. We want to give them and passing the this responsibility of owning crypto, of owning the future. And sadly, with some of us, we have it tough and rough right now because we may have two jobs or low income, or we're dependable on something, whatever it is. But crypto is bringing a lot of that freedom back to us. And that's one of the things that we like a lot. I own people who bought NFTs at whitelisted, and then they sold it for thousands of dollars. That's another way for you to change your lives. So that's what I'm also doing, finding all those projects, because it's time. No more time wasted. No more. Oftentimes, friends of mine, close friends of mine, ask me about, oh, have you watched the latest movie, or have you watched the latest game, or who are you rooting for the Super Bowl, or who are you rooting for the Olympics? I'm like, I have no idea what you're talking, because I'm working, man. Like, I'm putting work, I'm providing value to what I'm doing. I'm learning, I'm eating, chugging knowledge on a daily basis, because the more I know about crypto, the less I think I know. And plus, I have a responsibility to bring you the top-notch quality information to you guys. So it is great, but we need to make those sacrifices, and we're making it right now for you guys and for the channel and for the future, right? So gotta make it, gotta happen. So when God willing, I make some offspring, right, and I bring some children here, and I have an amazing family, I want to remind them how hard we worked, and how awesome, the lives will be then. And it's gonna be incredible. And I think by then, imagine Cardano $5, algorand $4, Bitcoin $150,000, $200,000. Do you think what's happening right now is gonna affect then the happiness, the joyfulness that's gonna happen? That no, it is not even gonna come to my head. So right now is the time for us to cheer, celebrate, and enjoy the ride. Welcome, everybody. If you like this, go ahead and smash the like button and consider subscribing, guys. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Talking to you from Texas. My name is Oscar Ramos. We talk about stocks, crypto, Roth IRA, retirement, mostly crypto, because that's what's trending. That's what we like. Long-term growth, little by little, man. Let's go. Welcome aboard. Go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe, and check all the links down below for your free Bitcoin stocks. On the chat, on the top of the chat, that's the link for the Patreon. Go ahead and check it out. Woo! Oh, baby. We like it, man. We're liking these movements. And just imagine when we actually break out and get up, we're going to fly away like butterflies. The channel is going to fly away. We're going to do amazing, guys. 156 votes. Who is winning, man? Let me go ahead and check this once again. Is it still Shiba Inu? I see Shiba Inu still winning. Tectonic, crypto.com. Tectonic is coming close to crypto.com, actually, so that's great. For those who are saying something else, what is it? Tell me right now. Who are you representing in the house? Is that the I'm Talking Army? Is that my Empire? I'm still here with you. I'm not leaving. Empire. I'm still here with you. Let's go. Nice. For family, of course. Nice. We like it. 100. Thank you, Oscar, of course. Tonic on fire. Bam! Tonic! Send it! Force, what's that? 5 zeros. The viral videos, welcome. 5 zeros, 1, 2, 6. We like this, man. Let's go. That's what we've been talking about these cryptos, guys. That's what we've been talking about these cryptos for sure. More videos coming up tomorrow, and I'm super excited because it's going to be another pump. Much higher. So this is what it is. This is what happened with Tonic. We pumped, we crashed, we pumping again. Definitely people looking at Tonic, not letting it go. Let me tell you that. Not letting Tonic go, of course. Where's the Tonic army here? VVS Finance, of course. VVS Finance. Elon, Shiva, of course. Some people saying VVS is not a good one. What's going on, my VVS Finance gang? Well, this is Tonic and it's doing fantastic, guys. So that is awesome. Where do you buy Tonic? On crypto.com, my friend. You buy Tonic there. Or you send your your money. You buy a VVS Finance, then you start staking and earning Tonic. Whichever you want. It's up to you. Hey, Astraleno, good to see you, buddy. Welcome. Voyager, some people say. Nice. 54 here. Nice. Everyone's a winner. We'll see who's laughing later after down payment multiple and I'm not making payments to the car dealership. Pro level, you have a positive vibe, Oscar. That's why I follow you. Well, I can choose to be otherwise, but I like this way because guess what? This is the way I am, to be honest with you. When you talk to me, when you meet me in person, I'm this way because I like to work a lot. I don't know if I'm the only one, guys, but I don't know if because I'm a guy or no. I mean, it's just a lot of goals. I'm a very goal-focused, oriented person because I feel that I still haven't achieved enough in my life, and I'm getting personal here, but it's that you have some goals already set and you have some standards. I'm a 90s kid, guys. I'm a 90s kid. So all my 90s kids and my even older generations know how kind of you wanted to become better than your dad or whatever, or I'm X, Y, and Z. So I'm still in that process of grinding and I'm not stopping for anything. You know me. If you are in those shoes, you already know kind of like that's the way for some of us. But I'm doing well. It's just that I'm really like goal-oriented, goal-focused. That's the way. Positive vibes only, of course. Why do you think it's going on with VVS Finance? Well, the price. I haven't checked the price. I take the price right now for you. Here on my phone. Let's go ahead and see. Where is it? Here it is. If it's down, I wouldn't be. It's 4037. Well, BVS Finance dumped a lot because I bought it at 301, and it seems that it's recovering just slowly but surely. So that's fine. It's just, these are just high supply coins that are starting their lives, and we need to give them years to finally appreciate and mature. That's it. F. Rodriguez says, youngster. Absolutely. Should I buy 50,000 of Tonic, Brandon? Do what's best for you, my friend. If I have $50,000, believe me that I wouldn't be buying only Tonic. I think that's an easy statement to say, right? Ooh, 90s baby. Yes, I know. Super old. Lay off the soda, Oscar. Oh man, you guys know it. You guys know it. Welcome, guys, to everybody who's watching. Just having a nice, positive Sunday night stream because we understand that well, we've been down for a while. Let me tell you that. All the stocks crash massively. You know, early 2022, not really good for the market, not really good for all the moves. Why, you may ask? Well, crashes when it comes to the inflation, to the rates, different announcements, job reports failing, and all of that. Just the recent one was very well, by the way. So that's what happened early in the year. It's great because I had more money and I was able to buy dip a lot, max out all my Roth IRA for those who do retirement in stocks and long-term index funds. If you're there, give me some sign, tell me that you're here. But just max out my Roth IRA in my last paycheck. I'm extremely happy for that. I'm just gonna let that slide in. What I'm doing right now, my friends, buying amazing NFTs, buying Metaverse cryptocurrencies, crypto trading, options, and many more, and real estate deals too. So if you want to know that, Just join the Patreon on top of the chat, and I'll give you all the tools that you need. Have a great community there, growing. Always blessed and happy to have you guys. 1990. Most 1990s out of the 1990s. Probably, right? We're heading to the 30s. We're heading to the 30s. Cardano will break out and Solana, Terry. Bro, Cardano and Solana. Actually, I have this tweet just for you, Terry. Just for you. Because not many people have talked about Cardano here. But I have this poll that was made with 11,000 votes, and I think it's important, which will be the dominant blockchain in 2025. And a lot of people say Cardano. And I own Cardano. I think it's a great project. I do own Ethereum and Solana, but Cardano and Algorand, man, you cannot go wrong with those two. Let me tell you that, my friend. You cannot go wrong with those two, Cardano and Algorand. I'm just going to give it at that. Plus, I have most of my money, all my retirement money on Fidelity. And guess what? Fidelity head of sales. We are a Bitcoin first company. There it is. There it is once again, right? And Tectonic is booming still. Oof, we like it, man. Made all the videos about Tectonic, so you probably type it on YouTube. You'll find some videos. My latest video that I made yesterday. If you want my latest thoughts on Tectonic, you go ahead and check that video right now. Loving it, loving it, loving it. 4029.20. We just need a nice one more pump for Shiba Inu, and we're gonna be golden, man. Oh man, Bitcoin, guys, have you seen this? Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin right now for a second. Oh wait, Crocoin is also doing well. Man, see this, guys. Crypto.com is zooming in. Bitcoin is coming up. We like this, man. We are going to do amazing on this one. Look at this. Bitcoin, crypto.com. Oh, guys, it is our time. Bitcoin is going up, the 5-minute chart. 42,400. Loving it. Definitely, that's 2 trillion. Has to be 2 trillion. Come on, market cap. Come on. Give it to me. This is not the most updated one. I need to go to CoinGecko. That's the issue with CoinMarketCap. Here it is. CoinGecko, 2 trillion. You see that? Why is it not the same on CoinMarketCap? I don't know. But here on CoinGecko, it's already 2 trillion. So we are at 2 trillion market cap right now. It's not that. So that's a little issue, right? That's happening right now. And of course, the historical values are doing great. And Shiba Inu is still there fighting the volumes. The bulls are coming in. Bulls are coming in right now. That is great. Bulls are coming in right now. And now, non-stop Crocoin right now that you're seeing thus far here in the live. Non-stop Crocoin. Boom. Great video, River City. Welcome, buddy. Crow Brock resistance. Oh, yes. It's here. 46 cents. Slowly but surely, guys. So slowly but surely. Hey, Cap. Welcome, buddy. Good to see you. That's also glad to have you here. Glad to have you here, my man. Welcome, welcome. What do you think about Croking? I am not into that one yet. 1992, that's great stuff. After crash, I put everything into gaming. I'm up 73%, Terry. Well, you know what you're doing, Terry. Let me tell you that. It's a good job on that one. Some amazing projects out there, and we're getting it. We're getting it. Well, that's what we like, guys. That's what we like. Don't forget to smash the like button. And 200 plus votes. Yes. Bunch of people here coming in and voting. Plus, Shiba Inu is doing well. Look at this. Don't we like it? Be right back, because your man has to go. And number one, you guys take care of the stream for me, okay? Please take care of the stream for me. Just say, everybody, he's back. He's coming back soon. I'll be right back, fam.
Hey, waving hand, Oscar thoughts on algo.
P break. welcome everybody. Yeah, I had to, man. I had to. You know, I like to drink a bunch of water, right? welcome everybody. Let's go. We back. Tectonic is exploding. No kidding. Whoa. Well, it's still there. Still there. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. Let's see what's going on. We're back. 5 0 12 64 is still there. We like it. There it is. You guys have it right there. There you go. 1264. Oh, baby. Tectonic is a new kid in town. Let me tell you guys. Tectonic is a new kid in town. We like it. Tectonic is there. And we have Shiba Inu here. So I'm going to do something for... I'll put it this way. Boom. There you go. Let me see. We got a donation from Ronnie. What's going on, Ronnie? Hey, Oscar, thoughts on algo? Ronnie, what else do you want me to tell you on algo, man? It's just, I own it. I'm not going to leave it. I'm a governor of algorand. I already voted on the second vote, bro. You don't go wrong with algorand. I have 5,000 plus algo. I got 95 algorand for free on the first vote. And yeah, I see myself owning more algo every single day. It went all the way less than $1. And it is just a great project. Pure proof of stake. And they're really cheap, fast. That's what I want. That's what I'm looking for. Got it? Loving it. And there's more other great projects out there, right? But it is what it is. I don't have all the money in the world. Let me put it that way. This is crypto.com, everybody. And Tectonic doing a number for us. Doing super well for us, Tectonic, right now. We like it. Tomorrow, how much to become a millionaire? It's going to be good. Cullen, thoughts on XRP? I actually own XRP on crypto on Coinbase. I buy it on KuCoin. And I'm, of course, going with the idea that as soon as we are out of that SEC lawsuit, we're going to be doing fantastic. As soon as you can buy XRP here with Coinbase and other different cryptocurrency exchanges, I see forecasting an amazing price for us, right? That's what I will tell you. And that's what you're seeing thus far, everybody, starting from 2,300 yesterday. So today's the 6th of February, and this is exactly 12, where my mouse is, right there to the left, all the way to the right. Pump, then a little retracement, pump, retracement, pump. There it is. There's Tectonic. I've been talking about this one, guys, for sure. The videos are there. The videos that I make are not just to gain views. These are videos that I think about it through, and I'm like, okay, what is the value that they offer, right? And I like it. They just release the market prices on Twitter. So what I will tell you is it before pumped and then it dumped a little harder. Now it's coming back up again. That tells me that there's just more people knowing the project, which is great. It's very early. So because we know how far it dropped before, I'm going to go ahead and show you here on the 1 day. We're coming down from what? We're coming down from here, everybody, right about here. I'm going to go ahead and utilize, where is this? Here. You're seeing this? We're coming from here, from this point on Tectonic. So the 4 zeros. So we've been on 6 zeros, 7 zeros, 5 zeros. So definitely we're still with tons of room for growth. You're seeing right now on the screen. We liking it. Got it? So it's fine. Liking it thus far, everybody. Shiba Inu is there. Probably, of course, later on in the night, we're going to be having even more growth. So that's going to be amazing. I'm going to go ahead and close this poll right now with more than 200, almost 250 votes. Let's see who won. I think that was enough time, to be honest with you. Let's see who won. Shiba Inu with 48%. So that is the army that just won this live. 24% on crypto.com. But let me tell you, Tectonic, it's put a really good fight. Put a really, really good fight. So kudos on you guys. Well done. When will Robinhood list Tectonic Pi? Don't even think about that. First, let him list Shiba Inu. Then we talk about something like AMP token. But Tectonic and VVS Finance, I don't think that's going to be listed anytime soon. Let me tell you that. Hey, El Paso, Texas. Welcome, buddy. Good to have you here. HNT Mooning. Yes. Loving it. Loving it. Do not forget about XRP, of course. Do you still have AMP? Of course, Anthony. Some of them, because the reason why I own it is because I'm already down, so I'm not, and I'm earning. I'm not only down, but I'm also earning on that investment. So as time goes on, we're still making money, man. We're still making money. So that's great. That's what I like it. So nice pumps today, nice movements on all the different cryptocurrencies. Look at Bitcoin, guys. Look at Bitcoin at this time. This is exactly what I wanted. I love it, man. That is exactly what I wanted for the next week. As soon as we open and kick off the new week, I'm going to start seeing if this price was artificially made or are we actually going to continue jumping, right? Then that's a good conversation for us to have. Is this just something because it's happening the end of the weekend and then as soon as Monday comes, everything starts crashing down again? Or we're actually going to be seeing some nice momentum going forward? That's just to be seen thus far. But from experience, we already are coming from a massive downside in the market for a while. It's bound for us to come up and to get some gains now. So I like it. It is the time for us to enjoy some profits, right? If you're watching this video, everybody, understand there's a two big difference. I'm going to take my time explaining as we're enjoying the prices. Go ahead and ask a question in the chat. Make yourself at home, pretty much. Overall, this was a good week. You know it. So if you're here in the live, my honor to have you here. If you're planning to long-term holding hands, long-term diamond hands this, right, as you're making money, well, go ahead and do that. Just make sure you're staking or liquidity pool or DeFi or earning interest. So no matter what the price is, you're still making money and for your long-term purposes, right? But if you're trying to make some more money, because you're going to be making more money if you know how to trade this, then do trading and sideways trading. You're going to know all the good stuff on the technical analysis. And specifically this right now, this is great. A lot of people made money today here because they sold, right? And once this was confirmed, look at this. This is a 5 minute from 16, which is 6:25 p.m. to 7:10 p.m. It took about 45 minutes of sideways trading. Bitcoin finally pumped. So this was a nice wedge, sideways trading wedge. And now it's pumping. And the pump was confirmed too. Nice. So, oh baby, we're up. We're finally up. 42,578, guys. We're back. Bitcoin is back. That's awesome. Guys, let me present to you this amazing story. That is great. Trading is bad for the heart. Trading is awesome if you know how to do it. Let me tell you that. Trading is awesome if you know how to do it. Wow, everybody, take a look at this. And how it's scroll. Oh, man. Loving this nice changes. So this resistance was broke. I'm going to go ahead and start making new ones right now. So we have a nice channel here. And here. There it is. That's for Crow. For Shiba Inu, we're going this way thus far. Some price channels here. There you go. Price channel for Shiba Inu and Bitcoin. Wow, Bitcoin, great job. Loving it. Bitcoin right now, we have this. And Bitcoin right now, we have this too. Loving it. Don't you see this? Amazing. Beautiful pumps, everybody. Beautiful pumps. We like it. These are the pumps that we want, guys. Let's go. 42,614 is still growing. Loving these pumps, man. Let me tell you that. So this is exactly what's happening, what it was due. As you can tell, the volume here at the bottom, we haven't seen this sell-off once again. So people are probably waiting for another confirmation to start selling later on. So I'm guessing that's going to happen, right? More sell-offs coming up later on as we have more growth. But this is exactly what I'll be looking for if you were trading, right? Galley's down, of course. So how can we learn to trade? Oscar Tank Star Whale by watching a lot of videos that are free there on YouTube, which I highly recommend. Or if you need somebody that's coaching you, that's maybe on a Zoom call or so, sign up and I'll teach you on that one. I have all different packages and services that I can help you with. Link in the top of the chat. Appreciate all the kind and awesome support, guys, because it takes time. Trading is not easy to do, right? Of course. But if you do it well, you make money. Especially because I'm coming from a background of options, and options really help you to understand your losses, your expiration time. I think the things that I like a lot when it comes to crypto is that you don't have an expiration time, which is what happened before with options. That allows you to be more at peace. And I mean, if for some reason you missed the sell-off, then you can wait for the next cycle and sell again. So you're not losing all your money. Whether it's in options and stocks, you have an expiration time, and if you don't sell right, you lose all your profit and all your premium and everything. It's tough, but people do it too, and it's fine. We make money too, anytime. Appreciate it, Dustin. Glad to have you here, buddy. Appreciate it. We're just having fun time and enjoying and learning. That's what I'll tell you, man. Because look at this. That's why I never sold my Chrome. There it is. But let's go ahead and start putting some macro view here, guys. And I know this looks ugly. But let's go ahead and start putting some macro view. Finally, as you're seeing here on the video, on the charts right now for Crow, this is how we're looking thus far, guys. So the same rate, the same fast and speed we went down the drain, we're coming up. But as you can tell here at the bottom, here, we haven't seen anything yet. Look at the incredible volume we had before. First, because it's late, it's Sunday, there's not many people here, but the price is rising. Let it just be tomorrow for us. Let the new week start. Oh, this is going to be amazing, right? Shiba Inu too. Let's go to the 1 year. And let's see how things are moving and rolling. Like, this is just insane, man. Take a look at this. How can you compare this volume to what happened here, right? There's no chance, no way. No chance, no way to compare this volume. But let's just the new week start, and we're going to be seeing tons of movement. Tons of movement for sure. What is the minimum I should hold on Tonic Pi? Everything that you can afford losing, right? I have almost 3 million on VVS, which is almost more than about $100, and it's making me 140% on Tonic every single time. So just let it work, and I'm making my Tonic. So I'm loving it. Later on, I can buy Tonic, actually, the coin, and then put it to work for me. But at this time, I'm doing the VVS Finance because I know VVS Finance will grow, and it's making me Tonic that's gonna grow. So everything, I'm working the two of them. So I like it, working the two of them. I like it. And Bitcoin, well, it's another one right now. I'll be interested in Bitcoin right now. Let's see how the volume is. There it is. There is Bitcoin. So I see a much higher level of volume than this one for sure. On Shiba Inu and Crocon, which Crow is still rising. To my surprise, still rising. I'm gonna go back to the 15 minutes here because we're doing great, man. Oh wait, I'll do the 5 minutes. So I wanted to show you that because I think that's important to see the entire macro view. There it is, guys. We're back. Crypto.com, guys. Where's the crypto army? I know the Shiba army won fair and square. Shiba Inu right now. Let's go back to the 5 minutes here and zoom in. And this is what we look like. There it is. I'll delete this price. I'll delete this level because it was broken. And now here comes. Is this the sell-off? Let's see. So you see, traders are coming in right now. Let's see if they're winning. And go back to 5 minutes on Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on. Oscar flexing. Here it is. Are the sellers now back to the game? So you see, if you're watching this video, let this be a lesson for you about trading. People are making money right now fair and square. How? All the long-termers that are buying here, or the people that are buying here because it's going to continue growing. Yes, it will continue growing eventually, but the traders are like, okay, people are buying, let them get confidence, then start the sell-offs, and then they're not going to sell because they want a diamond hand, right? So this is right now a bunch of different sideways trading, and it's fantastic. It is just the name of the game, right? That is why when you're really buying for long term, you just want to buy at the deepest level. So you avoid all of these things. But in the good words of one fellow subscriber here that I haven't seen me in a while, doesn't really matter when you buy if you're holding for years now. That is another good way of seeing it. ADA looks to break out this year. I will say $2 by year, $3 maybe by 2023. That's nice. This is your opportunity to cash out in the next decade. Let's go. Crow Arm is here. We're loving it, guys. Nice. Rizu. Of course, there's AMP. Let me go ahead and take a look at... oh, wow. Crocon is still rising. Loving it. Going back here and going back to the 15 minutes. How we doing with this one? Tectonic is moving okay. And now... Shiba Inu 27% still, so that's nice. 29.11, not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh CoinMarketCap and see how we're doing on this one. CoinMarketCap, let's go. 1.94. We're liking it. Welcome, Pi. Subscribe. There you go. Send it. Everybody who's watching, welcome to the live. This is just a night chill on Sunday night. That's what you got it. My name is Oscar Ramos, and we talk about crypto stocks and many more, but mostly crypto. In this case, you're talking to me, you're watching me because we have a breakout. Name of the title, Shiba Inu, Tectonic, Crocon, moving insane crypto market live. And we have a breakout of 2 trillion, officially a 2 trillion. Why, you may ask? Why not? Why not? It's already happened. Already a lot of things happen throughout the week, and it's bound for these moves to happen. Right now, crypto.com, which is one that I talk a lot in the channel. I just like everything they do. They can do better, yes, of course, especially with their cards and with their app, because I know a lot of people complain on that one. But it is what it is. Cryptocurrency is not perfect. So if you're looking for a perfect scenario, a perfect company, a flawless different blockchain, then you're gonna die without finding anything, because it's all created by us and we're not perfect humans, and at the end of the day we're gonna have some errors and mistakes throughout the way. So enjoy the ride, and if you're holding for years, there's nothing you should be scared of. There's nothing you should be scared of on this one. Am I right? Welcome, fam. Oh, nice. Nice. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. That's going to help a lot to the live stream. And don't forget to grab your awesome Shiba Inu tokens. Where's the Shiba Inu army right now? Aren't they cute and pretty? First link in the description down below for your physical coins. You have the Bitcoin one too with the case. It's pretty cool. So if you're interested, they have even more there. Saitama, Cardano, Ethereum, all the ones that you're looking for. Crow deserves $1 plus, right? Imagine. Terry says Crow coin will hit $1, but it will need more volume, much more. There are the sell-offs, and we like it, man. 28. Ooh. Here it is. Come on, baby. Get me all the sell-offs now. But here it is. Here's where we test. The upcoming sell-offs, the nice growth, the sell-offs. This is exactly what we want to see. We like it. Cheers. Oh, man. We like it, man. 42,000, 28.96, 46 cents. It's a great gain. I mean, from the price that we started this week to the price right now, I think it's a big W for sure. Big win. And that's what we are here, guys. So I'm pretty excited to see all these awesome fam people enjoying this ride. And well, it's 9 p.m. here, Central Time from Texas. Where you guys watching us from? Sharing the post right now, the links. Post in the chat right now where you're watching us from, where you're enjoying this live, enjoying this pump. Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, Crypto.com, all of them. Where's the fam watching right now? Irving Guerrero of AMP Token, of course, bro. AMP. North Hollywood. We have California in the house. We like it, man. Exactly what we have. Texas, North Carolina, Canada, Seattle all day. We like it, man. G-Puff, good to have you here. Kansas City. Oh, man. People from all over. That's what we like to see, and that's what cryptocurrency stands for. People from all over. This is Bitcoin. We have London, Orlando, Jacksonville, good old Texas, of course, Florida, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Canada, of course. Croix at 46 and more following, but it will take, days. Not to worry, jump a lot. Sherman, California, LA, Iraq, France. Crypto has no borders. Remember that. Crypto has no borders. And as we're seeing the pumps, we have two pumps now, right? We had this at 5 p.m. on Bitcoin right here. Crash. Or, I'm going to call it crash, but you guys know it's not a crash. It's just a small retracement. But because we are on the 5-minute view, 5-minute chart, it does look like a massive crash. So pump, dump. Pump typically has to come to dump. So what we're experiencing thus far is just a playground for traders. Playground for traders. And that's great. That's nice. Idaho, Sydney, United Kingdom, Florida, and the moon. Watching from the moon, France and Greece. Loving it. I love it, man. Shiba Inu now coming down, which is expected. Oh, yes. So we are looking at the retracements now. So I'm not only showing the pumps, I'm also showing the retracements. I'm still here for the retracements. Let's take the W's. Let's take the retracements as a fam, as a group, as a Crowcoin army, Shiba Inu army. How's Tectonic doing right now? It's barely starting something, right? For all the Tectonic people, for all of us, we're just chilling with Tectonic right now at this point in time. So that's good. We like it. We like it. Coachella, California, Montreal, Italy, Puerto Rico, Montana, 3 a.m. here. Really? Wow. You know, there's no better thing but to watch crypto. We like that. Watching crypto is then our new favorite thing to do. For me, it is, guys. For me, it is. Next week, well, it's gonna be February the what? The 8th, the 7th. Next week. A great time for us to buy the dip if we are facing a massive retracement where Bitcoin is 41 or upper 40,000s. But right now it's perfect. Right now it's perfect. That's what I'll tell you. Perfect at the price it is because we've been holding for a while, and this is exactly what I was looking for. Loving it. Gal is also another good one, of course. Of course. All right. So thus far, everybody, we're doing fantastic. 9 p.m. here, Central from Texas, guys. Aren't we chilling and aren't we having a great time? What I'll forecast for the remainder of the night is just still more volatility. There's a lot of volatility right now in the short-term cycles, especially the end of the weekend. Right now we have Asia waking up and making a lot of moves and a lot of whales. The whales are never sleeping, let me tell you that. The whales are never sleeping, so they're taking profits. They're putting money down. They're taking profits, so that's what we like it. We'll see, and we'll see how we end at the end of the story tonight, but that will be amazing. My friends, fellas, 2-hour plus live. That's a little gift from me to you guys. Really need it, really exciting, and it's time for me to rest, recharge for tomorrow because it's gonna be fantastic, don't you think? Starting my summary, guys. Tectonic doing great. Closing. Fear and greed index, guys. Fear now, fear 45. Very good. Finally out of the stream, fear. We'll see how long it takes, but whatever it comes, we're gonna be here for the long term, guys. And of course, remember that 2 trillion. So that is great stuff. And well, CoinMarketCap, it seems on green. Shiba Inu at 14, Crypto.com at 16. We're coming up, guys. And as these prices come up, the stable coins come down. So still Cardano is very much down. So I expect Cardano to be coming up in the upcoming days, right? Everybody, there it is. There's the live, Sunday live for all of you guys. All Tuesdays and Sundays, 7:30, around 7:30 p.m. I decided to start it earlier today because of the prices and to enjoy a nighttime with you. If you watch this entire live, you're going to get to know me a little bit better. Thank you for all your amazing comments, for your all your amazing questions, donations, members, moderators, members, and everybody. Thank you for watching, new subscribers. Catch you later in the new coming week. A lot more videos coming your way. God bless you and be safe. All right? Long-term growth, little by little. Peace. Take it easy, guys. Have a good one, and I'll catch you later in the next videos and in the next lives. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Let's go.